Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis. Let's come to the point. Finally, Nifty sustained below 14,350. So for now, if it sustained above 14,350 to 450, then most likely it move for uptrend. Otherwise, below 14,350, it will comes down for 14,000 to 14,200 for reverse. Let's come to Nifty chart. So finally, Nifty comes down below 14,350. So for now, if it sustain above 14,000 to 14,200, then most likely it will try to enter in between 14,350 to 450 level to take support for uptrend. Otherwise, it will sustain in between 14,000 to 14,200 or below 14,000. Maybe it will reverse from 13,750 to 13,800 reversal support zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed near 31,200 after reverse from near 30,900. So for now, above 31,200 to 500, it will try to move for 32,500. Otherwise, below 31,200, it will reverse from 30,600 to 900 reversal support zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty reversed from near its support, that 30,900, and closed near 31,200. So for now, above 31,200 to 500 level, most likely it moved for 32,200, 32,500 and 32,800. Otherwise, below 30,000, it will reverse from its major support, that 30,600 to 30,900 reversal support zone. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading opportunity for index future. That's are for Nifty future, there have a crucial resistance for Nifty future, that 14,565. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances, that's are 14,386 and 14,480. There have a crucial support for Nifty future also, that 14,000. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 14,165 and 14,089. Same as for Bank Nifty future also, there have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future, that 32,225. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's are 31,500 and 31,876. There have a crucial support for Bank Nifty future also, that 30,200. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 30,920 and 30,565. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading stocks with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustain above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustain below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for its reversal support with resistance as midpoint. Apollo Hospital, that LTP is 2,686. Its upper range is 2,800 and lower range is 2,600. So if it sustain above its midpoint, that 2,700 with increases volume, then most likely it move for its upper range or upper resistance, that 2,800. Same as if it sustain below its midpoint, that 2,700 with increases volume, then most likely it move for its lower range or lower reversal support, that 2,600. And when it reverse from its lower range or lower reversal support, then midpoint act as its recent resistance to achieve. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. Apollo Hospital, that LTP is 2,686. Laurus Labs, that LTP is 379. Surya Roshni, that LTP is 377. Axis Bank, that LTP is 658. Bharti Airtel, that LTP is 580. Bosch Limited, that LTP is 15,876. Bosch Limited looks very good for me. Dr. Reddy, that LTP is 5,082. Kotak Bank, that LTP is 1,794. Tata Steel, that LTP is 651. Aarti Drugs, that LTP is 718. Alembic Pharma or APL Limited, that LTP is 961. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. You can mail me on my mail ID or you can join me on